Unlocking the power of praise. Give a shout out to, explained. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of English language learning. Today, we're going to explore a very popular and uplifting phrase, give a shout out to. This phrase is all about recognition and praise, and it's used everywhere, from social media to everyday conversations. Stay tuned as we break down its meaning, usage, and give you some examples to help you use it confidently in your own conversations. Give a shout out to is an informal expression used to acknowledge, praise, or thank someone publicly. It's like giving someone a pat on the back in front of others, highlighting their achievements, efforts, or just showing appreciation for their presence in your life. The phrase creates a positive atmosphere and fosters a sense of community and support. This phrase can be used in various contexts, both online and offline. Here are some common scenarios. Social media posts. Whether you're celebrating someone's birthday, congratulating a friend on a new job, or just showing appreciation, using give a shout out to is a great way to do it in a post or a comment. Public speaking. During speeches, presentations, or any public speaking event, giving a shout out to someone who has helped or inspired you can make your talk more engaging and personal. Everyday conversations. It's not just for the public eye. In daily conversations, mentioning that you want to give a shout out to someone can highlight their importance and spread positivity. Tips for using the phrase. Be genuine. Ensure your shout out comes from the heart. Mention why you're giving the shout out to make it more meaningful. Keep it appropriate for the context, more formal or more casual, depending on the situation. Let's see the phrase in action with some examples. 1. In a work email. Before we conclude, I'd like to give a shout out to Maria for her outstanding contribution to our project. Her hard work has been crucial to our success. 2. During a speech, I also want to give a shout out to my mentor, John, for always believing in me. Your guidance has been invaluable. 3. On social media, just wanted to give a shout out to all my followers for your amazing support. You guys are the best. And there you have it. Everything you need to know about the phrase, give a shout out to. We hope this video helps you not only understand the phrase but also feel more comfortable using it in your own English communications. Remember, it's all about spreading positivity and acknowledging those who make a difference in our lives. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to give a shout out to someone special today.